vacation out in honor of the revolution.
I remember when I was like at like my peak of being an annoying teenager in secondary school. Oh my god, I thought I was an animal. And I used to be too embarrassed to ever take an umbrella with me. Like, because apparently that was like really embarrassing or something. Yeah, but like that's kind of stupid. I used to just get soaked instead. Honestly, kind of calmer, because why don't you just take a flipping umbrella? It's not that embarrassing. I've got my umbrella here with me now, and guess what? I'm not wet, so.
There it is again, that funny feeling, that funny feeling. There it is.
I don't know what it is about trees, but I think it's the fact that I know that they're alive, so they're just like, I feel like they're all staring at me right now, but it's okay. I'm paying attention to you guys. I know you're there.
There it is again, that funny feeling, that funny feeling. There it is again, that funny.
I really recommend going on a walk on your own. It's very like, I don't know, it's raining and it's miserable, but I'm in a graveyard, by the way. Finding it pretty difficult to find places to film where there isn't a grave in the background. Is there a grave in the background? There probably is. But anyways, it's kind of nice walking through a graveyard, even though it's supposed to be somewhere that's really sad and depressing and people come here to mourn. It's like, there's something very calming about it. And like, I feel like my fear of when I die is that one day people are just gonna like completely forget who I am, which in a way it's kind of therapeutic because it makes me feel like nothing I do now even matters because people are gonna forget about me one day. But I also am just scared of the fact that I'm just gonna be part of the past and like no one's even gonna think about me, do you know what I mean? So coming here and like looking at all these random people's graves and just like acknowledging that they existed is kind of nice. That got really deep. I didn't mean to make it that deep. It's supposed to be like, I don't know, but like you get what I mean. Like it's just nice to come here and realise that these people were alive at one point. Like I like reading all the tombstones. Like a lot of the people here are like ancient, like 80s. No, not 80s. Oh my god, 1800s. 80s is not that long ago. Sorry for anyone that offended.
There it is again, that funny feeling, that funny feeling. There it is again, that funny feeling, that funny feeling.
I just had beef with a squirrel. I'm now asserting my dominance by placing my camera on the tree that it lives in. I just really want to... Oh, I see you up there, you dickhead watching me. Up there, can you see it? Did you see it run? I swear to god, if I'm imagining this flipping squirrel, I literally just had a full-on argument with it. I just wanted to take a cheeky picture of it. Oh my god, can you see him running along? What a cheeky little lad. Oh my, you know what? You can have your stupid little tree. I don't even want it. Have that one. Oh, there we go. Hope no one looking at me argue with a squirrel. I am alone, by the way. Bye squirrel. Enjoy your tree.
There it is again, that funny feeling, that funny feeling. There it is again, that funny feeling, that funny feeling.
There is a hole in my shoe and there's also a hole in my sock, which means that my toe is currently exposed. But you know what, I like to just think that it means I'm a little bit closer to the earth. I'm kind of like, I don't know, I kind of decided to do this because I was listening to an Emma Chamberlain podcast where she was talking about how you can be alone without being lonely. And I think she's really right, because I think you definitely can be alone without being lonely, because right now I'm alone, but I'm not lonely at all. I'm living life, breathing out. I'm my own best friend. Although I am starting to become slightly chilly.
That funny feeling, there it is again. That funny feeling, that funny feeling.
I did just put my camera down on the floor and continue to walk past it as if I didn't know it was there. I'm at that point in my career, what can I say?